Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and Ledger.com has just announced that they're now supporting Crypto.com Pay, which is an easy and convenient way to spend crypto on the Ledger.com website using your Crypto.com app. So I'm going to show you how it works, and I'm also going to give you some tips on how to get some great discounts. So stick with me, guys. Okay, so here's the announcement on the Ledger.com website of their support for CryptoPay, and they've got some instructions on how it works, but I'm going to walk you through it. It's very simple, but I'm also going to leave a link to this in the description. And also, if you look down in the description, you'll see my Ledger affiliate link, which you can use to take you right to the Ledger site to purchase products. And below that is a special code, CryptoDad20, to get yourself an additional 20% off any purchases you make on the Ledger.com website when you check out. I'm going to show you how to use that. You don't have to use Crypto.com to get the discount, but I'm going to show you how to get even more discounts when you use CryptoPay using CRO tokens. So, going to be exciting. Let me show you how it goes. Enough said, right? Let's move on. All right, so let's just say I want to go over to Ledger.com and make a purchase. Now, I have a house full of ledgers. I've got several Ledger Nano X's. I've got several Ledger Nano S's. I've got a couple of commemorative versions of the Ledger Nano S and the Ledger Nano X, you know, the Genesis Block edition, the To the Moon edition. So I really don't need to buy another ledger. But I do want to show you how this works. So there is a product on here that's not too expensive that I'm going to buy live here in the video and walk you through this process. So I'm just going to go over to all products. I'm going to scroll down to this little OTG kit, which I don't have, so I'll grab that and maybe I'll do a video on how this little connection works. This little kit will allow you to attach a Ledger Nano S to your Android phone so that you can use the Ledger Live Android app when you're signing transactions. So I'll go ahead and pick this guy up and I'm going to walk you through this process. All right, so I'm just going to add that to my cart. I'll hit checkout. So I've got this in the cart. I've given my email, got all my information filled out, and then I'll hit continue. All right, and here's where the rubber meets the road. Here's where I'm going to use that discount code, the CryptoDad20 code. And when we apply that, it's going to give a 20% discount. Now, you guys can use that code too. It's got 200 uses. So if you want to get that 20% discount, better get it now before all my other viewers use it up. So I've got it in the description below to give yourself a 20% discount. Now that we've got to this point, I'm going to hit continue. And here's our method of payments, right? And here's the crypto pay option. I'll just click that. And I'll, leave the shipping address and the billing address are fine. I'm going to agree to terms here. I'm going to click crypto pay. All right, and it opens up a window and gives me the crypto pay QR code. So I'm going to show you in the Crypto.com app how this works. So if you don't have a Crypto.com account yet, I've got a great video on that. I'll put a link to that up in the description so you can get yourself a Crypto.com account. And once you've got the Crypto.com app open, you can tap that little lion down there in the bottom and hit pay. And then I'm going to choose scan up at the top. And I'm just going to scan that QR code from Ledger. Get this guy over here. All right. Now, here's where it's really cool. You'll see there that if I pay in CRO, I'll get 20% cash back in addition to the price, the 20% discounted price on the Ledger.com site. All right. Now, I don't have enough CRO though, right? As you'll notice, I only have 34 CRO. And I could also choose to pay with Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, or LTC, right? So it's a great and easy, simple way to pay with whatever crypto you got laying around. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to trade a little bit of crypto here before I do this. I'll go over to my accounts, and you can see there I've got crypto.com coin. It's only about $1.85. I need about 14 bucks worth, right? So let's do this. Let's hit buy CRO. And I could fund this with a debit card if I wanted to use a debit card to fill up my CRO. Or I could use other cryptocurrencies that I'm already holding in my crypto.com account. I have some basic attention token. That's going to be enough. All right. So in order to make this purchase, I'm only going to need about 260 CRO. So I'll just punch that in right there. I'll hit, and I'm going to use my basic attention token that I have in the account to buy it. All right. So I could have used one of the other cryptocurrencies to make this purchase, but I'm going to get a steep discount if I use the CRO to make the purchase. So let's go back. We'll hit pay again. We'll hit scan. We'll scan that QR code. All right, and then I'll go ahead and use my CRO to make the purchase. So I'll tap continue to review. I'll hit confirm. It uses Face ID for recognition. And boom, there we go. And you'll see, right as I made that purchase, I got paid back the rewards in CRO. So that's pretty cool. All right, so the order is confirmed and on its way. And let me just show you real quick in the Crypto.com app what happened, right? It's pretty cool. So we'll go over here to accounts. We'll look at my crypto coin account. So you can see there, the first thing I did was I used BAT to buy some CRO, right? And then I paid 270 CRO to Ledger. And then I got pay rewards back right away, which was about 20% of that purchase. So if you buy a Ledger, there's my confirmation from Ledger. So if you buy a Ledger and you use my CryptoDad code, you'll get 20% off from Ledger. And then if you use Crypto.com Pay to make the purchase and pay with CRO tokens, you'll get an additional 20% back off that amount. So it's a pretty good deal. And I don't usually push products this hard in my videos, but if you've watched my videos, you know I really believe in both of these products. I've done a lot of videos on how to use the Ledger, how to set it up, how to restore it. The same with Crypto.com. So it's a great opportunity for all of you guys to get some steep discounts on some Ledger products and learn an easy way to pay using Crypto.com. It couldn't be simpler. And like I said, it's easy way to pay with cryptocurrencies. You can pay with Bitcoin, you can pay with Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever you want to use. But you'll get discounts and paybacks when you use CRO tokens. And it just takes a couple of seconds to swap tokens on Crypto.com in order to have the CRO to make your payments. So easy. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. Don't forget I have a live stream every Friday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me for the live Q&A from Michigan, where you can throw out questions and I'll do my best to get them answered. Hope to see you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.